welcome to the Krish Cambridge School online classes. How are you all? I hope that all of you must be fine. This is the class for 8 and our subject is English. The topic which we will be discussing today is glimpse of the past, which we have discussed in our previous video also. So your chapter is glimpse of the past. As always, I just want to ask you that how are you all? I hope that all of you must be fine and staying at your home, because home is the safest place in this COVID era. As the COVID is increasing day by day, so it is our duty to stay at our home. So if we talk about this topic, we have earlier discussed so many topics related to this chapter. Today we will be discussing the remaining part. As a revision, I would like to tell you that we have already read about the martyrs, which is on the page number 39. I request all of you to please take out your books and keep it in front of you. Yeah. Then we discussed about the company's conquest, what the company did till 1757 to 1849. Then we discussed about the British rule, what was actually happening 1765 to 1836. Then the last topic which we discussed was Raja Ram Mohan Roy and the oppression. Okay. The last line was the bone of cotton weavers are bleaching the plains of India. It means the cotton weavers are working in such a way for the Britishers that they are bleaching India or Indian plains with their blood. It means they are working so hard for the Britishers and they are getting nothing, but they are bleaching the plains of India with their blood. This means that there is so much, you may say, bad thing happening in their life, and they are suppressed. Today we will be discussing about the dissatisfaction. Come on page number 44. Yeah. Dissatisfaction 1835 to 56. Okay. Dissatisfaction. It means to not be satisfied. आप जिस बात से satisfied नहीं होते हैं, जिस चीज से आप satisfied नहीं होते हैं, you get dissatisfied in that, and that is dissatisfaction here. From where? Yeah, 1835 to 1856. 1835 to 1856. I hope that you can see it as it is written on the board. Yeah, so we will be reading that how the Indians were dissatisfied with the British rule in India. So let us discuss. Yeah, education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. So before the Britishers came to our country was in our religious languages in Persian and Sanskrit. There was no evolution of English in our culture on that time. Now what happened, how English actually came to our country, this is what we will be going to learn here. Yeah, an Englishman named Macaulay. Macaulay came to India. Macaulay. You can see the name here. His name is Macaulay. He came to India and he introduced the English language, which we are reading today. So Macaulay came to India. Okay. Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change. So what he suggested? He suggested a change. We should teach the natives through the English language. Now what we should do? We want to do the development of this country just for our profit, but for that we will have to develop the people of India too. And how it will be done? It will be done only when we will use English as their native language. If we teach them English, if we preach them English, if we make them more civilized, so what we need to do? We need to teach them English. These were the views of Macaulay. So the other one is saying, I agree. Okay? Yeah. English education produced clerks to whom the British gave petty jobs. Now, when the people started taking the English education was given to the people, they were now working under the Britishers on the post of clerk and all the other small posts, and they were getting a pretty small salary and they were getting a petty job because they have learned about the English. So this was the effect of learning English, that if you will learn English and if you will work according to us, you will get a job. Under them, yeah, British job under them, incidentally it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. Now what happened, whenever we acquire a new language or something new in our life, develop ourselves. Our intellectual level also develops. So this was very much important for an individual to develop, because they started learning a new language, they started learning English, and what they developed some intellectual power, you can say some spiritual powers, some more confidence in them. Who? The Indians. Yeah, we must educate our brothers. Now, what happened, if some have learned English, they want to teach others also, because they wanted all of them to be educated, because an educated person knows what is good or bad, and try to improve their material conditions, and we will try to improve their conditions by teaching them English, because in today's life also, like in the way I am teaching you English, why is it necessary in today's life? English is necessary because this provides us a connectivity to the world. एक पूरे world से हमें ये language connect करती है. When you will be in your bigger classes, when you will go out for the jobs, you will see that most of the interviews are conducted in English only. I'm not saying there is not Hindi anywhere, there is Hindi, but in today's generation, in today's era, the demand is only of English. If you go for a teaching job interview also, you will have to give the interview in English only, because English is a must language currently. Okay? Yeah. For that, we must convey our grievance to the British Parliament. For that, what we will have to be obedient to the British Parliament. Now, all these people are discussing this thing. This is on page number 44. If you can see, there is a picture. These three persons are discussing. Yeah. And now you can see a map. The yellow part is states and the red is British area. By 1856, the British has conquered the whole of India. Now, what happened in 1856? Britishers conquered the whole India. पूरे इंडिया को ब्रिटिशर्स ने conquer कर लिया था, अपने हाथ में ले लिया था. इंडिया की जो सत्ता थी वो उनके हाथ में आ गई थी in 1856. If you can have a look at the map, okay, so you will see that how Britishers conquered the whole India, and all the Indian powers, all the Indian territories were under their hand. Sorry. They cared little about the needs of Indians, and that was sure. Why they will care about the Indians? They are there for only themselves, only for making profit, only for ruining our country. Then why they will care for Indians? Now the natives are discussing here. Our kings have become puppets, and we have lost our old jobs. Now, the new jobs are coming, the new generation is coming, the needs are changing, and what is happening? We have lost all our kings, all the puppet kings who are acting as a puppet in front of the Britishers. And what? We lost the old jobs. The people are discussing this. This is the conversation between the common people. And lands. So what? They lost their jobs also, their land also. Why? Just because of the Britishers. Because Britishers are in our country, and they are ruling, and they want all of us to work according to them. They are converting our brothers, and what they are converting, they are changing their religions. Changing their religions. So what they were doing? They were changing the religion of people. You can see there are so many missionaries school here and in all the other parts of our country, and colleges also, and so many other things. So what? They have transformed some of the people in their religion. Why? Because they wanted them to have all the privileges which they were having. In a nutshell, if I'm going to tell you, is that वो ये चाहते थे कि जो लोग भी हमारी तरह जीना चाहते हैं, उन्हें अपना धर्म बदलना होगा, उन्हें हिंदू से क्रिश्चियन बनना होगा, या जो भी धर्म है उन्हें उसे अपनाना होगा. This is what Britishers wanted. So they were changing the religions of other people. So this was the dissatisfaction which happened till 1835 to 1856. I hope you got it. Yeah. Now next we will be discussing about the sparks, which is from 1855 to 57. What happened, what were the reasons behind the revolt, and if there would not have happened any revolt, तो क्या होता, how the situation would have been. I have told you so many times, we must understand the importance of the martyrs, because only because of their contribution and sacrifices we are here. We are so free. The sparks. The sparks. Which is between 1855 to 1857. I hope you can see that. Yeah, the sparks 1855 to 1857. Okay, let's start reading now. Page number 45. Taxes continued to ruin the peasants. Now the taxes were increasing. The taxes were increasing day by day, and the peasants' life was getting ruined because of the taxes which were increasing day by day. In Bengal, the Santals who had lost their lands under the new land rule became desperate. Now what happened? The Santals are there. Santhal जो है वो बंगाल में थे. They lost their lands and they were so desperate and they were so angry. In 1855, they rose in rebellion and massacred Europeans and their supporters alike. What happened in 1855? They killed these Europeans, some of the Europeans and their supporters also, because they became the rebellion. They became the rebel. Why? Because the Britishers have taken their land away. आप सोचिए, कोई आता है और आपसे आपका घर छीन लेता है. How angry and furious you will be, and you will try to take revenge on them. So the same thing is happening here. On the page number 45, you can see the image here. Yeah. Discontent was brewing in the East India Company army too, and this discontent, the rivalry, the anger was on both the sides. On both the sides there was anger. The white soldiers gets huge pay mentioned to live in servants. Now what they are saying, that the white men who are in our country, they are getting good salary, they are having mansions to stay, and what is happening with us? We are also the soldiers, but we are not getting what we really want. While we get a pittance and slow promotion, we are getting no promotions, we are getting slow promotions, and day by day Britishers are growing. Britishers आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. हम भी आर्मी के पार्ट हैं, पर हमें कुछ नहीं मिल पा रहा है. We must drive out the अंग्रेज. Now the other one is saying कि हमें अंग्रेजों को उखाड़ फेंकना चाहिए, उन्हें यहाँ से हटा देना चाहिए हमारी कंट्री से. सिपाही मंगल पांडे अटैक द एडजंट the Sipahi Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and was executed. Adjutant means होता है military officer. Okay, adjutant means the military officer. So Sipahi Mangal Pandey attacked the military officer of his regiment and was executed. He was captured, and what happened? At last, he was hanged to the death. Okay. The Angrez asked us to cross the sea, which is against our religion. Who is the Topiwala to abolish our age-old customs? Now, if you remember, we have discussed in our previous videos that the saints, the old people with the orthodox mentality said that if you will travel across the sea, you will lose your religion. Your religion will be lost by yourself because you have traveled across the across the sea. Now the foreigners are asking, the Britishers are asking them to cross the sea and come there and do some work for them. So the locals are saying that who are they? वो कौन है हमारा धर्म बदलने वाले या हमारा धर्म तोड़ने वाले? Who are they? Okay. Now you can see that the anger is getting fierce and fierce day by day. Thousands of other sepoys revolted. They were stripped of their uniform, humiliated and put in irons. And other sepoy also revolted and they were stripped out of their uniform. They were killed. they were humiliated, they were beaten. Okay, few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian customs or the people's mind. There were only some Englishmen who understood the customs of the Indians, that what actually it means, and we should care about that also. But most of them didn't care about the Hindus, because all they wanted was to rule over the country. Oh, proud Brahmin soldiers! Do you know that the grease on the bullet you have to bite is made from fat of cows and pigs? Now, I have been a student of history and I know that one of the major reasons behind the revolt of 1857. 1857 revolt. Yeah. One of the major reason behind the revolt was the grease which was used on the bullet. They will have to tear the grease, they will have to take out the grease, and then they will have to use that bullet. So the saints, the Brahmins are saying that the soldiers, listen to me carefully, that the grease which they are using on the bullet is made up of the फैट ऑफ काउज एंड पिग्स. वो काउज और पिग्स के फैट से बनी हुई है ग्रीस, जिसको आपको मुंह से निकालना है. What? Now the soldiers are saying क्या? The white man deceived us too. It means that the white man fooled us too, because for Hindus and for the other religions who are staying in India, this is not done. This beef is not done. The grease of these animals is not accepted in our culture and religion, and the sepoy and the soldiers didn't know all these things. So when they came to know, there was so much anger in their heart that they really wanted to revolt again and again and wanted to throw out the Britishers out of our country, out of India. Yeah, because of these tactics which they were doing, which they were implying, just because of these things, they were so irritated that they wanted to throw them out of the country. Soon chapatis were sent from villages to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. Now what happened? The chapatis were, you may say, distributed or circulated over the different villages, and the reason behind was that the emperor, the empire will need their help just because of the revolt. So it was a symbol, a sign to make people know that if the empire needs them, they will have to be there all the time, because they want to throw out Britishers of our country. Out of our country. Yes, all my village men will be ready, and the locals are talking that all the village men will be ready, because in a nutshell it is like that. All of them were irritated, they were frustrated by the methods which the Britishers were implying in our country, because we don't like to be in a boundary. हम boundary में रहना, हम किसी भी तरीके के किसी क्या बोलते किसी भी तरीके के हम बंधन में रहना पसंद नहीं करते हैं. और इन्हीं सब बातों से द ब्रिटिशर्स, द इंडियंस वर सो मच फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि वो अब क्या चाहते थे कि ब्रिटिशर्स भारत छोड़कर चले जाएं. या Similarly, lotus flowers circulated among Indian soldiers. Death to the foreigners, the masses gave all help and shelter to the patriots. Now what is happening here is that the chapatis were circulated in the same way. Lotus का जो flower होता है वो भी circulate हुआ सभी जगह, और क्या हुआ, सभी masses से पूछा गया कि if we will need your help, you will have to be there. आपको वहाँ आना होगा हमारी help के लिए जब भी हमें आपकी help चाहिए होगी. So these were the sparks, these were the reasons. Okay, yeah. Now we will be reading about the revolt of 1857. Come on page number 46. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. If we can discuss some points, it will be like that. This anger, this frustration, this irritation was not of a single day. हमारे मन में गुस्सा जो है वो धीरे धीरे ही बढ़ता है. एक दिन में किसी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा नहीं आ जाता कि हम उसके खिलाफ रिवोल्ट करते हैं. Now the things which Britishers were doing in our country were not good for the Indians, were ruining their life, and these things were ruining our country. So the Indians wanted to throw them out. अब उन्हें ऐसे तो भगा नहीं सकते हैं. So they will have to do the revolt. Now we will read about the revolt 1857. Now there was a violent outbreak. Outbreak means एक बहुत ही जोरदार, जिसे कहते हैं युद्ध की शुरुआत हुई, एक बहुत ही बड़ी मोमेंट की शुरुआत हुई. The Sepoy marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. And what? The Sepoys marched to Delhi. उन्होंने मार्च किया कहाँ तक? दिल्ली तक. और क्या बोला कि long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. जफर के लिए कहा गया that you may long live. The rebellion spread wider, and the rebellion was spreading wider and wider from one territory to the other, because all the soldiers, all the Indian peoples were frustrated and they wanted the Britishers to throw out them from our country. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sold. Now what is happening? The landlords, जो जमींदार थे, उन्होंने अपनी जमीन खो दी, किसान ने अपनी खेती खो दी, अपना खेत खो दिया, लोगों ने अपने घर खो दिए, अपनी जॉब्स खो दी. तो क्या बच गया है अब? अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? we will be killed. Okay, we will lose our life. That's okay, but we will make our country independent. This was their thought. The white man's rule must end. Now the locals are discussing that ये rule खत्म होना चाहिए, ये तानाशाही, this autonomy should end. Yes, we will help you. And all the soldiers and all the, you can say, the emperors were saying, the leaders were saying, yes, we will help you. Now we are on the last page. The fight for freedom 1857. Now we will be reading that how different places and how different leaders helped in this revolt. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. That joined this upsurge against the foreigners. Now what happened? Like Begum Hazrat Mahal from Lucknow was also one of the you can say the freedom fighter who really wanted to fight against the Britishers, because she has lost her land. उसने अपनी ज़मीन खो दी थी, and she joined the upsurge. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmedullah of Faiziabad told the people, rise brother, rise, the Angrez is ruining our land. Now this famous leader like Maulvi Ahmedullah of Faiziabad said that जागो भारतीय जागो, ये अंग्रेज हमारे देश को बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad, and in that way, in Bareilly, then in Kanpur, then in Allahabad, the revolt was on fire. It became on fire. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leaders in this war of independence. As in our class also there is a monitor, so there is a leader always. So in this revolt also they wanted a leader, so they decided that Nana Sahib will be the leader of this revolt. The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battle all over North India. And they fought the battle against the Britishers in whole North India, because this upsurge, you can say, this urge was coming out from all the Indians that Britishers should go. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Now the 80 years old Kunwar Singh received a bullet in his wrist. एक wrist में उनके bullet लगी when he was fighting, and he said that Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. This is my last gift to you. So this was the chapter from our freedom movement, S.D. Sawan, a beautiful chapter which let us know that how and actually what happened on that time. So this was your chapter, the glimpse of the past. We have discussed so many things. Now I will be giving you the assignments. Okay. So what you will do, pick out your diary or your notebook, wherever you want to do the assignment, and note it down. Okay. Yeah. Write all difficult words. Do exercise. Let me see. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. This you will be doing in your notebook. Yeah, okay. So students, this is your assignment. Note it down fast. Okay. I hope that you have noted it down. If you have not, please pause the video and note it down. So this was your chapter. Thank you so much for attending this class. I hope that you have enjoyed. I have enjoyed myself too, because this history is a very interesting subject, and we connect, and when we connect our present with the past, we start loving the chapter. So thank you so much again, and keep on being motivated, keep on doing these assignments and attending the online classes. Thank you again, students.